Ever feel like your TV's sound just isn't enough? Movies sound flat, dialogue gets lost, and action scenes lack punch. I used to crank up the volume, but it didn't help. My living room just couldn't deliver that theater vibe. Then I tried the Samsung Q990D soundbar. Check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Let me show you why it's a total game changer. First off, this soundbar packs 11.1, 4 channels of true Dolby Atmos. That means sound comes from every direction even above you. You get 11 front speakers, a booming subwoofer, and 4 up-firing channels. Plus, it comes with rear speakers right in the box. No extra purchases, your home theater is ready to go. And yes, it's all wireless. No more messy HDMI cables. Wireless Dolby Atmos fills the room without cable clutter. Pair it with a Samsung TV for Q-Symphony magic. Your TV and soundbar speakers sync for next-level audio. It's like the whole room is part of the action. Those rear speakers? They bounce sound off your ceiling and walls. You feel like you're inside the movie, not just watching it. Setup is super easy. Just plug in, connect, and go. The SpaceFit Sound Pro feature analyzes your room. It automatically tunes the audio for perfect clarity. No matter where you sit, the sound is balanced. Watching late at night? Adaptive Sound has you covered. Voices are clear, even at low volume. No more rewinding to catch dialogue. And if you're into gaming, you'll love Game Mode Pro. Up-firing speakers and acoustic beam create 3D sound effects. Explosions, footsteps, and music feel totally immersive. Game Mode Pro kicks in automatically when you start playing. No need to mess with settings. Built-in Alexa lets you control everything hands-free. Just say what you want, adjust volume, play music, or check the weather. It also works with Chromecast and AirPlay too. Stream music from your phone in seconds. With Tap Sound, just tap your phone to the soundbar. Instantly mirror your favorite tracks, no complicated setup. Let's check out a quick demo. I'm watching an action movie, listen to that surround sound. Every explosion and whisper is crystal clear. Now, I'll switch to a quiet drama scene. Dialogue stays sharp, even with background noise. Let's try some gaming. You can hear every detail, footsteps behind you, enemies above. It's like being inside the game world. Now I'll play some music from my phone. Just a tap, and the room fills with rich, balanced sound. No lag, no hassle, just pure listening joy. If you have a smart home setup, this soundbar fits right in. Control lights, ask Alexa questions, or stream podcasts. Everything works together seamlessly. And the design? Sleek, modern, and fits any space. It looks as good as it sounds. No more bulky speakers or tangled wires. Just powerful, immersive audio in a simple package. The Q990D adapts to your space and your lifestyle. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or hosting friends, you always get the best possible sound. I honestly can't imagine going back to regular TV speakers. Everything feels bigger, clearer, and more exciting. If you love movies, music, or games, you'll notice the difference. Setup takes just minutes, no tech skills needed, and you get all the latest features right out of the box. Wireless Dolby Atmos, adaptive sound, voice assistance, check, check, check. It's future-proof and ready for whatever you throw at it. So, if you want the ultimate home theater upgrade, or just want to hear your favorite shows like never before, check the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. The Samsung Q990D is honestly worth every penny. Ready to experience sound on a whole new level? Check out the Q990D and transform your living room today. Trust me, your ears will thank you.